So hi everyone, I decided to make this video because most of you requested me to create a video lesson, so your wish is my command. So now we are in the lesson 4, the conditional statements or the control structures. So first I'm gonna show you the building blocks or the relational operators. We have the less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, and greater than. So those are the comparison operators. So Java control structures is simply a list of instructions. So control structures are programming blocks that can change the path we take through those instructions. So we have a quick example, just like trying to know if the grade is a failed or pass. And we have the condition statements in Java, the if statement, the if else, the if or else if, or nested if else. So the if statement, we have the if, and then the condition, and then here are the statements. So let's say for example, we have here the number 10, and number is less than to 0. So if the number is less than to 0, what would be the output to this one? So it should be negative, similar to the Cartesian plane, di ba? If ang mag-go na siya sa left side, so negative na yung mga values. And otherwise, it's gonna be statement outside if block. Dapat inanay siya yahang output. So we also have the if else. So we have here a condition true ni siya because 5, the value here in the variable of number is 5, and the condition is 5 is greater than 0, which is true. And the condition here is false because we have here the value of 5 and the number is less than 0. Mas gamay ba ang 5 sa 0? So, di ba, dili? So, that's why it's false. So, we also have here the if-else statement or the else-if statement. So, we have the condition, then else-if na po siya. So, muna siya, mas complicated na ni siya. But, let's go first to the most basic or simpler example. So, I'm gonna show you here the example. So, I have here the example of if. So, conditional statement, check one condition. So, less than, so blah blah blah. So, I have here the example of score. But, let me first go for, try the value of age. So, I have here the variable age equals to 18. So, let's try to see if 18 is an adult. So we have if and then age, tawago na tong age, and then condition is greater than or equals to 18. And then i-print na to adult. Okay, go back sa print SOP system. Okay, out print. Okay, and then adult. Itong message is adult. So, ito siya i-try o run. Sa kaya ang value niya. So, it's an adult. So, what if 17? It's okay, may tabo. Therefore, wala mo print ani because 17 is minor. So, let's try now to put else. Kung mas ubos siya, i-print daw niya si print minor. Ano sa ka to message? Minor ba? Okay, so minor. Okay. Okay, minor. So, let's try for example, score. Ang passing score daw is, ang atong passing score daw is 75 or 75. There. then, ang score daw nako kay 60. Score. So, I have here a pass na message and also failed. Okay. So, my score is 60. So, what will be the output of this? So, it's gonna be failed. So, how about it's more than 75? Let's say, for example, 80. Okay, it's now passed. So, that is for our conditional statement. Thank you for listening. So, I'll try to post another video again for the rest of the lesson.